Have you been struggling with blocked ears, muffled hearing, or that uncomfortable feeling of earwax buildup? Stop using dangerous cotton swabs that push wax deeper and discover the safe, professional-grade solution doctors recommend. This advanced electric ear irrigation system uses gentle water pressure to flush away stubborn earwax naturally and effectively, just like the expensive treatments at medical clinics. Imagine the relief of crystal-clear hearing restored in minutes, right from the comfort of your home. What makes this system revolutionary is the intelligent temperature sensor that shows green when water is perfectly warm, preventing the dizziness that cold water can cause. With 4 adjustable pressure settings from gentle to strong, plus a pulsating mode, you can customize the cleaning experience to your comfort level. The innovative dual-tank design means you won't be juggling containers. Clean water goes in one side while dirty water collects separately, making the entire process hygienic and mess-free. The transparent waste tank lets you see exactly what's being removed, so you know the cleaning is working. Perfect for people who use earbuds frequently, those with excessive wax production, or anyone tired of expensive doctor visits for something you can now do yourself. The included multiple ear tips fit different ear sizes, and everything is USB rechargeable for convenience. Say goodbye to muffled hearing and hello to comfortable, clear ears. The product link is waiting in the description and comments below.